Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video, video number 14 coming at you here. Yeah, okay, good. So we just got our group earnings here today. Just got a notification from the system Telegram bot. 0.42% was the earning percentage today. And of the money I have in there, I got 75% of the total earnings, which is 43.27. So for out of nine, just a minute there, guys. Out of the last 9 days, I've made basically $450, pretty much. Let's say a few pennies off, but I made that 9 days, guys. So if you take 450 divided by 9, that's 50. So I'm averaging $50 a day, guys, all on autopilot for doing absolutely nada, nothing. And look at that. I'm at 9,601, guys. Man, I remember when this was just a few $100, like a year and a half ago. Time goes by real quick, and as a result, this will grow real quick. um, so, yeah, guys. Once yeah, I'm pretty much almost at, well, yeah, I guess I'm about maybe a couple $100 or so away from what 14,000. When I get to 25,000, guys, I'll be making $500 a week, which is like $2,000 a month. So I'm excited for that. Of course, that'll come in maybe about maybe I don't know. Let's see, maybe about 6-7 months from now, something like that. But yeah, guys, S Group. It's a really great company, very, very stable, guys. This is the type of company that's going to be around for years, if not decades. They have money being made in all different forms and fashions: medical cannabis, Forex, stocks. They have their own token system that you can earn money on as well. For now, I'm just invested in Forex right now. So once I build that up, I'm going to start throwing some of my earnings into other areas. And of course, along the way, I want to build my team, which I want to get into, guys. I would love for you to be a part of my team. If you click on the link down below in the description, you will get a sign up page where you can sign up and register your account, join the S Group family, and you will be able to make money like this, guys. Soon I'll be doing withdrawal videos. I'm going to be setting all that up. I'm actually going to be getting an Opt Plus debit card, and I'll be transferring money to that card. I'll be able to use that card like to get gas or to do groceries or whatever I have to do, guys. So it's really it's going to be really convenient. It's going to make things a lot easier for me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, of course, you can go down and send me an email. My email address is in the linked description down below. And yeah, this is basically the back office, guys. It's pretty straightforward. This is the support section. If you have any questions, you can ask their support team. These are probably within, I'll say 24 hours, probably less than that. You just go in there and create a ticket. As you see, guys, I have look at this. I had tickets from October 14th, 2020. This is basically when I started my account. Had some early issues, as you can see. But yeah, we are doing real well here. This is the news section, guys. If they have any news announcements, a lot of these announcements are basically just like presentations, like webinars and stuff like that. Yeah, there's all their updates. Career is if you want to build a team, which I'm currently in the process of doing, guys. As you see, I have a few people under my team. I'm going to start building that up. I would like to have you on my team, and we can build and earn money together, guys. Yeah, finance section, you can do a bunch of different things here. Replenish, this takes money from your S wallet. And withdrawal actually sends to your S wallet. And exchange was where you can exchange your tokens to money to do a withdrawal. And transfer to user is pretty sweet. If you have someone else that is a friend or family member in the system, you can actually send them money. Maybe like say on a birthday or something. Happy birthday! Go log into your account, eh? $100 there. There you go. Go have a nice steak dinner. So guys, I'm getting near the, I'd like to continue to talk, but I'm getting near the end of the video. Just wanted to show you my daily earnings for today. That concludes my 5-minute daily review video. Don't forget to click on the link in the description and sign up for S Group, guys. See you in the next video.